Hey there, are you tired of using inefficient air conditioning systems in your space? Well, we have the solution for you. The following is a brief introduction to the Z-Lite series power supply, the zero-side discharge light commercial air conditioner. The Zero-Light commercial air conditioner is not just equipped with inverter technology. It's powered by an advanced DC inverter compressor. This cutting-edge compressor technology offers several advantages. Firstly, it boosts the unit's energy efficiency by an impressive 30%, making it a cost-effective choice for businesses and commercial spaces. Additionally, the inverter technology, in conjunction with the DC inverter compressor, allows the unit to achieve full load output within just 90 seconds. This means rapid cooling and heating when you need it most, ensuring that your space reaches the desired temperature quickly and efficiently. For better comfort and air quality, the optional soft wind board features 360 deg air outlet with 2,565 microholes, while the fresh air interface introduces outdoor air to ensure a continuous circulation of fresh indoor air. In terms of noise levels, the Zero-Light commercial air conditioner is designed with low noise. By increasing the air volume and reducing operating noise, this unit can operate as quietly as 30 dB, creating a quiet environment for occupants. Furthermore, the addition of Wi-Fi control also enhances convenience, allowing users to monitor and adjust the unit's settings from anywhere with internet connection. In conclusion, the Zero-Light commercial air conditioner combines advanced technology, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features to deliver a superior cooling and heating solution for commercial spaces. Whether it's rapid temperature control, quiet operation, or flexible installation options, this unit has it all. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.